Hi everyone, this is Driss and Will again. We have a special device for you guys today, and this is a Sega Game Gear. It's a retro console that's I used when I was a kid. That's really bringing memories and bring it back to the past. So let's drive in and have some fun on it. So by the way, this is a broken unit that I purchased from eBay as not working. These units, they have a common issue, that's the capacitor goes bad over time. So what are we gonna do today? We're gonna change them and put a new one in, and hopefully we will get it back working. So let's take a look of what we got here, then we will take it apart and do the work. Alright, so this is the console. It did come luckily with the carrying bag, and it's really in good condition. I don't see any tearing or broken pieces or anything. It really looks new. There's some dust here, but it's not that bad. A little bit of water and sponging will do it. This is what it's inside. It's a lot of games. I had a really good deal on it. I couldn't pass it. It was like $60. So I had like 8 games. So I'm just gonna put them here, and this is the console. It's really in good shape. It is, if you can tell here, some corrosion from battery melted inside. Oh, not melted, sorry. Leaked inside. So we're gonna clean that today, and also, like I mentioned, change the capacitors. Other than that, the unit looks in really good shape. Nothing really to mention except this piece here. It's like some chopped plastic broke, I guess. It's not major. So yeah, hopefully in the future we can change the screen cover, put a new one. They're cheap in eBay. So yeah, alright, let's tear it down and get it back to life. Alright, we just prepped the surface where we're gonna work, and also I gathered my tools. It's just, you need a Phillips screwdriver and also a special, I really don't remember the name of it. Yeah, I think it's a game bit, and that's needed for this screw right here. So yeah, that's the only one different. So, and just some snips, and yeah, and that's it. So what do we do first? Let's power the unit and see what we got. Here we go. This is Aladdin. Plug it in. Plug that one in like that. Turn it back on, and that's what you get. See, I can see image, but not an image, but a blurry white thing, but really not much. Turn it back off, turn it on. See flicker, and after that nothing. See the line? Yeah, yeah. All right, let's change those capacitor, and hopefully we get it back working. All right, let's put that on the side. Let's open it. Take the game out. Let's put it back here. And then start with the game bit. Put my strap just for safety. It's still opening. Right. It's open. Yeah, looks pretty clean inside. Really clean. That's super nice. Okay. Right. Let's disconnect the half top. One here. Put this into the side. And this is our capacitors. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. The big one right here. And we have our replacements. You can buy them as a kit, or you can, just copy the value and then order one by one. But you will find them on eBay easily. They come as a kit. All right, let's start on that. Right. This is all the capacitor that we changed. I think it's, if I remember correctly, 13. So yeah. And this is the extra one that I put in. Put it back there. Let's move this. And then put the other half in and do a quick test. This is a little bit bigger. I can squeeze that. Alright, so let's put that in, power the unit, and see what we got. Here we go. We don't have no sound because also I think the amplifier board need some recap, but the screen is fine. Everything is working. Oh, catch me. Yeah, this is working perfect, no issues. Alright. So yeah, fortunately I broke one of the traces on the board, and you can see it here. It's a brown piece right there. Now the camera gonna zoom. You can tell it's brown feet there. So, and it was pretty hard to see, so I used my microscope, and you can tell that lid was missing or broke off, and it was connected to the capacitor right here. So we're gonna solder back that capacitor directly to the transistor. And the way how we're gonna approach this is, since I didn't have enough space and the capacitor I'm using it's a little bit bigger, so I'm gonna solder cables and I'm gonna run them to this side right here in this corner, and the second one somewhere in this area by using extension cables, and that should do it. And then the next step will be to work as well on the power on the amplifier board. This one here, this is the amplifier board, and this is the power board. So since we get in power, I don't have to change these capacitors. Maybe I will, since I already have them. And then also we have to change these few capacitors from here. So yeah, let's do it. Alright, so we had to change all these capacitors, and also I had to find a way to adjust these two large capacitors. They were in the way when I was closing the console. I couldn't, because they were bumping to the battery enclosure. Also I changed these capacitors because, as you saw earlier, there was no sound when I turned it the first time. And also I said, okay, let me just change all the capacitors since I'm here. So when I did these as well, and I was able to repair that broken pad for the capacitor, as you can see here. And yeah, now let's try it and see what we got. Hopefully everything good. So the game is here. Let's put it in, and then transformer. Put it in. And turn it on. Oh yeah, still as earlier. Hopefully now sound. So that's what we want. Voila! It's loud and clear. And I killed myself. Alright, that should be it. So yeah, that was a pretty successful repair. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and close the unit, and that should be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please, if you have any questions or concern or anything that you might want to ask, just drop your question in the comment section, and I will respond. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. Have a good one.